There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. The cabin crew are now pointing out the exits nearest to you. Please be aware that your nearest usable exit may be behind you. Emergency lighting will guide you to an exit. In an emergency, leave all baggage on board. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and released as shown. It must be fastened when the seatbelt signs are on, and we recommend that you keep it fastened at all times. If the air supply fails, masks will drop from above you. Pull a mask towards you to start the oxygen. Put the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Hold the mask in place with the strap. Pull on each side to adjust. Put on your own mask before helping others. If we land on water, take a life jacket from under your seat. Remove from the pouch and put it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and click together. Pull the strap to adjust. Inside the aircraft. When outside, inflate it by pulling the toggle. If it fails to inflate or needs topping up, blow into this tube. There is a light and whistle for attracting attention. The cabin crew can assist you with life jackets for children. Service with a great selection of fresh food and hot beverages, together with drinks and snacks from the bar. Full details can be found in the menu in your seat pocket. Our preferred method of payment is credit or debit card. If paying by cash, we accept pounds, euros and most major currencies. The correct change is appreciated. If we can be of any further help, then just ask us as we join you in the cabin.
Siete pregati di rimanere seduti con le cinture allacciate finché gli appositi segnali non saranno spenti. Vi suggeriamo comunque sterline, euro e le maggiori valute. L'importo esatto in moneta è sempre molto apprezzato. Per qualsiasi tipo di